Racing just is started. We have Salinas break quickly restart. Moving up on the outside, Hyper Franco Che and Ryan on the outside. Now is Money Queen Nabrekha, Virtual Angel, Jonas Recipe, Stormtrooper, Gintong Gantimpala. While All My Life is the trailer run going along for the first turn. We have Hyper Franco by about 3 lengths. And in second comes Salinas. Moving up on the outside is Money Queen. Nabreka is racing in fourth. Che and Ryan comes next. Virtual Angel. Jonas Recipe, Stormtrooper, Gintong Gantimpala. While All My Life is still racing in less. Back to the leader with Hyper Franco by about 4 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is Money Queen. In the portion comes Nabreka. Salinas is down on the inside. Che and Ryan, Virtual Angel, Jonas Recipe, Stormtrooper, Gintong Gantimpala. While All My Life is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Hyper Franco, Nabreka, Money Queen is on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. We have Hyper Franco, Nabreka, moving up down on the inside is Virtual Angel. It's now Virtual Angel, followed by entry number 6, Nabreka, and finally it's Virtual Angel, Nabreka, Money Queen, then comes Hyper Franco, Salinas, close, Gintong Gantimpala, and Stormtrooper.